Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As today's title says, I'm going to give you my makeup routine today. And this video is also in collaboration with Dermosil. As you know, it's now my second year of ambassadorship with them and I could not be more happy about that. So today I'm going to show you my makeup routine. And when I was emailing my contact person at Dermosil, she asked me if I wanted to make a makeup routine. And I thought about it and yeah, of course I can do that. And okay, how many products do I have that are from Dermosil? And I realized that, oh my god, so many of my products are from Dermosil without me even noticing this. Only a few products I did not have from Dermosil, but I checked online and of course they had all of them. Today I'm going to try these out. I have tried them out a couple of times already, but they are quite new to me, especially when you compare some of the other products that I have been using for, I don't know, 2 years maybe. Let's start with this makeup. Now I just came out from the shower. I have already prepped my skin. What I have been using before, like this morning before I actually went to the gym, or actually hours before I went to the gym, now it's in the afternoon, I used these products, self-tanning products. I could not live without them. And now I only had them on for a couple of hours, but if I would have, for example, slept with them, I would have even more color. Then we have a must for me. I use it every morning and every night, and that's this carrot oil. I use a little bit less in the morning, of course, not to make my skin too oily and my makeup not to stick, but it's so good to get that extra glow. I think you can see that my skin is glowing already, and that's thanks to this one. Mwah! What I will start with is this highlighter. This is a illuminating drops highlighter, and this one I use
a little bit there, here, just to prep my skin and give it some glow, because we all love that glow at the moment, don't we?
This highlighter I don't use daily, but when I want to have extra glowy skin, then I use it. Okay, it's time for my base, and well, this is now my everyday makeup, so I want it to be quick. So I have recently actually started using these. And I have two colors, the medium and the dark. The medium one I use where I want it to be lighter. And the darker one I use where I want it to be darker, as a contouring, you could say. So the darker one goes here, here, a little bit on the neck, on the side of the nose, and this lighter one, of course, in the middle of my face. And before I forget it, all the brushes that I'm using today, they are all from Dermosil, and they are just the best. Like, seriously, I would never have thought that, because they are quite cheap, and I had never thought that cheap brushes like this would be this good. I have them all and I use them daily. And they are my absolute favorite brushes, so if you have not tried the Dermosil brushes, I can really recommend these. After I'm done with my base, or my powder, mineral powder foundation, then it's time for concealer. And I will just put this under my eyes, and no, I'm not going to do one of those crazy Instagram makeups or YouTube makeups, because I want it to look natural, and I actually want to go outside my door with this makeup, so it's just all natural that I want. But with that said, I do want my concealer to be light. Like that. I look like a ghost in the camera, but yeah, let's continue. Since I feel like this foundation is a bit dry to my skin, I'm so happy that one of their news is this wake up mist that I'm using on my face to give it a bit of moisture. I realized that I wasn't using any eyeshadow from Dermosil, and I normally use only one eyeshadow in my everyday makeup routine, and that is a brown here in the crease. But I did not have any Dermosil eyeshadows at home at the moment, so I took this brow pencil. So let's try if that will work out. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit here, and then I'm gonna take my brush and start blending it out, just to give it a little bit of depth. Like that. I like it. The color was actually better than I thought. And now, the most important thing, my brows. And I'm so happy to say that one of their news is like the best product ever. I love it, this tinted brow gel. Only thing, I would actually like it to be a bit lighter. But let's start with the brows, and I'm using this Brow Perfection pen. And I actually fill in only the end of my brows, because I think they are dark enough as it is in here. Then let's continue on with the brow gel. Oh. And I like to brush my brows upwards to give my face like a facelift. This is a little bit too dark for my taste, as I told you, but with the rest of the makeup on, I sometimes feel it's quite cool to have this dark eyebrows. Let's continue on with the mascara, and there I have my favorite Maximizing Moist Proof mascara. That's because it's so good. To wash it away, you only need to use 38 degrees water, and that's why it's also so good when you go outside. It never falls down, it sticks so well to your eyelashes. So yeah, if you're having trouble finding a good mascara, I can really recommend this one. See the difference? Wow. And I only put mascara on my upper lashes. Sometimes if I want to look extra wow, I also use a bit of a black eyeliner. This is one I really love. It's so simple to use, really good if you're a beginner, I would say. And today I actually forgot to use it, but just so you know, I would use it on the half of my eye just to make the eye pop without having this heavy eyeliner. The only thing I miss from Dermosil, that's a good contouring. So I don't have any contouring, but as I said, I used the mineral foundations to sort of make a contouring. But I have this sun powder, and for that I would at least use a bit of. So I'm not using this as a contouring. My contouring would be a bit lower, but just to give my face a bit of a color. Time for the highlighter. Then it's time for my soft apricot rouge, and I'm going to use this powder brush actually, but from Dermosil for the first time. As you can see, it's all white, and now I'm going to destroy that. Oh, I wonder, will it ever be white again? And now it's time for one of my favorite parts as well, and that's the lips. I have my favorite lipstick, this No Retro. As you can see, it's almost empty, and I love this color. And then we have one product that I love as well, but I don't think they sell this anymore, and that makes me angry. No, but it's so good. I wish they had it still. And this I use to make my lips look bigger, and this is a liquid lipstick. Okay, and that is my everyday makeup routine, what I use. And yeah, I can really recommend these products, especially the brushes, especially the mascara, the lipstick, the highlighters, the self-tanning products, the oil. Yeah, a lot of these products I can really recommend to you, and I will link all the products down below. And yeah, that's about it for today. Hope you liked this makeup routine and this tutorial. See you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye!